Hey everyone, it's Sarah and welcome to my YouTube channel called Sarah Lee. Today we're going to be making homemade Play-Doh. So here are your ingredients for today. Here we have our mixing bowl, then we have our spoon, some water, a pinch of salt, food coloring. I use natural beetroot. Then we have cream of tartar. This is optional. Cream of tartar is used to make your Play-Doh stretch better. And then the last but not least, we have all-purpose flour, and this is half a cup. If you want to know what cream of tartar looks like, this is how it is, and you can get this at any grocery store. You can also get this on Amazon. Okay guys, without further ado, let's start the procedure. Now you want to mix the water little by little, not all at once, and make the dough. Now it's time to knead it with your hands. Guys, this is a little quick tip. If the Play-Doh is sticking to your hands, you can always take some dry flour onto your hands and then knead back. It won't stick that much. So guys, this is how the Play-Doh turned out. It is not that sticky. So guys, after that, roll it into a ball and make a hole. Now, take your food coloring and add as much as you want, but I would recommend not to add a lot. Okay, here it is, and I'm gonna start mixing it up. So guys, this is how my Play-Doh turned out. I'm really happy how it turned it out. It didn't become red, but it became a light pink, and I'm really happy about that. A quick tip is that you can put this in a Ziploc or a tight plastic container. Here are some shapes you can make with the Play-Doh. This is my heart shape I made with my Play-Doh stencil. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget, I'll be posting new ones next week. Okay, bye guys.